Welcome you all in today's lesson. Today I'm going to be telling you the importance of English. So the question comes like this: why do you want to learn English? So there are 7 things that I would like to mention here. Have a look. The first one is the global language, and if you visit foreign countries you need the language. Number 2, it's a very demanding language which helps in every job sector. Number 3 is all the computer information is in English. As a result, all sorts of presentations, when you just go for any presentation, at that time you require English. Number 4 is most of the books, I should say 100% books, are all in English for your higher education. So in order to do any kind of research or PhD, you need English. Number 5 is if you know English well, you'll have a very high standard in the society, and social respect will be quite high in non English environment basically. And number 6 is English knowing person is like a salt, like a person who knows English well. He's invited, respected, called, like welcomed everywhere. And number 7 is teaching the language. Like if you know the language well, you can teach the language to others, and you could be a very valuable asset for the country as well. So let me summarize everything very quickly. So English is a global language which has got vast demand all over, and if you visit other countries, like any other country around the world, if you know English well, you can manage any situation that you go through. And if you want to have a very high standard, high profile and well paid jobs in Asian context and some other context and country like Bangladesh, English is a must, and it will help you to boost yourself up, and it will give you a kind of status. Number 3, computer information. Everything that you do in your laptop, everything that you go for in your smartphone, you require high skill in English, and it will help you a lot. And if you go for any kind of presentation, that also helps because you know English well. Number 4, that is all the books are in English. So if you want to know anything, so just go to Google and then you search and then find it out. And whenever you are getting some Nobel Prize winning books to study at that time, all those books are translated or written in English. So number 5 is standard in the society. Like if you know English well, your friends, your family, your relatives, your social community, everybody in Asian context, Eastern context, the non-English speaking environment, people will respect you a lot. Number 6 is you will be a salt. Like let me give you an example. Like in every curry, I should say, every dish, there should be salt. Without salt, nothing is tasty. Similarly, English is something like that. Everywhere, wherever you go, you will be like an asset, valuable asset. Suppose a doctor, an engineer, a chemist, and English linguist, 4 of them are together. So English speaking person will be the first one who can come up with some sentences very quickly, and he will be able to present the language in a very artistic way. And the last thing is teaching the language. If you know the language well, you can be a very good teacher. You can teach the language to others, and that could be one of the ways for you to earn money and to have social respect, whatever you want. So these are the valuable things that is why English is getting very popular around Asian context and some other context as well. So English is a very important language. Thank you very much.